Hello there. Today, I'm going to tell you about an exciting way to learn English using ChatGPT, with special focus on building your vocabulary and perfecting your pronunciation. Ready to begin this amazing learning journey? Let's dive in. Let's start with what ChatGPT is. Think of it as a very clever computer program that can understand and respond to your messages in natural English. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who never gets tired of helping you learn and practice. Now, let's talk about something really exciting: building your vocabulary with ChatGPT. There are so many fun ways to do this. First, you can learn words in themes or categories. For example, let's say you want to learn words about the weather. You can ask ChatGPT to teach you words like drizzle, light rain, scorching, very hot, freezing, very cold, and humid, moisture in the air. Here's a clever vocabulary trick. Ask ChatGPT to create word families for you. If you learn the word happy, ChatGPT can teach you related words like happiness, happily, unhappy, and happiest. This helps you understand how words are connected and how they change form. Want to remember new words better? Ask ChatGPT to create memorable sentences using your new vocabulary. For instance, if you're learning the word enthusiastic, ChatGPT might create a sentence like "The enthusiastic puppy wagged its tail and jumped with joy when its owner came home." These vivid examples help the words stick in your memory. For advanced vocabulary building, try learning collocations, words that often go together in English. ChatGPT can teach you that we make a decision, not do a decision; we take a photo, not make a photo; and we heavy rain, not strong rain. Learning these combinations helps you sound more natural when speaking English. Now, let's focus on pronunciation, one of the trickiest parts of learning English. While ChatGPT can't speak, it can give you amazing tips and tricks for pronouncing words correctly. First, it can break down words into syllables. For example, the word vocabulary becomes vocabulary, making it easier to pronounce each part. Here's a useful pronunciation tip. Ask ChatGPT about word stress. In English, we stress certain syllables more than others. ChatGPT can show you which syllable to stress using capital letters. For example, vocabulary, photograph, international. This helps you speak with the correct rhythm. Want to practice those tricky English sounds? ChatGPT can create personalized tongue twisters for you. For example, to practice the TH sound, try: 3 thoughtful thieves thought thoroughly through Thursday. Fun, isn't it? You can ask for tongue twisters focusing on any sound you find difficult. Let's talk about linking sounds, when words connect in natural speech. ChatGPT can explain how going to becomes gonna in casual speech, or how want to becomes wanna. Understanding these connections helps you both speak more naturally and understand native speakers better. For pronunciation practice, ChatGPT can also create rhyming words to help you learn similar sound patterns. If you're learning how to pronounce light, it can give you words like bright, fight, might, and sight. This helps you recognize and remember sound patterns in English. Here's another brilliant feature. ChatGPT can explain the difference between similar sounding words, like sheep and ship, or beach and peach. It can give you memory tricks and specific mouth positions to help you pronounce these pairs of words differently. Want to improve your intonation? ChatGPT can explain how your voice should rise and fall in different types of sentences. Questions, statements, and exclamations all have different patterns. It can mark sentences to show you where your voice should go up northeast arrow hash or down southeast arrow hash. Let's not forget about everyday conversations. You can ask ChatGPT to create dialogue situations for you to practice. These conversations can include new vocabulary and focus on proper pronunciation. It's like having a speaking partner who helps you with both what to say and how to say it. For vocabulary retention, try the story method. Ask ChatGPT to create a short story using your new vocabulary words. Then, try retelling the story in your own words. This helps you practice both pronunciation and vocabulary at the same time. Remember to practice different English accents too. ChatGPT can explain the main differences between British, American, Australian, and other English accents. It can tell you how certain words are pronounced differently in each accent. Here's a practical tip. Create your own vocabulary journal with ChatGPT's help. For each new word, write down its pronunciation guide, example sentences, related words, and common expressions. ChatGPT can help you build this personal dictionary step by step. Don't forget about idioms and expressions. ChatGPT can explain common English phrases like "it's raining cats and dogs" or "break a leg." Understanding these expressions helps you sound more natural and understand native speakers better. Finally, remember that learning English is a journey, not a race. Take your time with new words and sounds. Practice regularly, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. ChatGPT is always here to help you, explain things again, and celebrate your progress. So, are you ready to start this exciting learning adventure? Remember, every new word you learn and every sound you practice brings you one step closer to English fluency. With ChatGPT as your learning companion, the journey will be both fun and rewarding. Happy learning, everyone. Keep practicing, stay curious, and watch your English skills grow day by day.